Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I have look number 1 using the LA Desert Dream palette, and I did upload part 2 first, and it's because I wanted this look to be for someone special. And I've been trying to film this voiceover, and every single time I do, I end up crying, and this is an incredibly touchy subject for me. I still wanted to kind of touch base on it in a video, mainly because I talked about some other deaths. Anyways, this look had to be uploaded second because I'm trying to do a voiceover without crying. Basically is what I'm trying to say. This look is for my nanny. I said in a video that was kind of dedicated to my papa when he passed that I started the year out with 3 grandparents. I didn't think I would finish the year out with 1, let alone finish the year out with none. And I know most of you have, went through this, experienced this, lost loved ones. My nanny was one of those grandparents that is just much more than just a grandparent. I was extremely close with her. We done everything together. We lived next to each other even. Our houses are side by side, and we saw each other every day. I talked to her multiple times on the phone. If we were shopping, or doing anything like that, it was always together. We were always together. I love her so much. And so we're in fall now, but this has been an incredibly hard summer. On June the 11th, I lost my papa to COPD and congestive heart failure. July the 31st, I lost my grandma, my great-grandmother, to cancer. And then 15 days later, I lost my nanny. And it's been devastating. I literally feel like I've been drowning in grief for a few months now. They all passed, give or take, about a month within each other. And they all passed about a month or so before their birthdays. It's been rough. I couldn't eat. I couldn't sleep. Because Nanny was such a wonderful nanny. Yeah, she was amazing. We would always joke and say that I would always tell her that I stopped counting her age when she turned 53. She was 74 when she passed. She either passed from a heart attack or an abdominal aortic aneurysm. We declined an autopsy, so we don't know for sure, but it was something along the lines of that. And we didn't expect it at all. It was literally out of the blue. So, stopped counting her age when she was 53. She was such a girly girl. I had literally never seen her with gray hair grown completely out. She always kept her hair dyed, and there's so many things I could say. I may say more in a different video, I'm not entirely sure. Also, a totally random thing, the other day I was watching Walk a Line, and I just remembered this, but my great-grandmother's sister, she was friends with Patsy Cline. I think that's kind of neat. I like that a lot. I like Patsy Cline. And so I wanted to share that as well. I have a lot of other things that I want to talk about, but I'm going to do so in another chatty Get Ready With Me. This one was incredibly hard to make and do. It's just been an incredibly difficult summer, and one that I will never forget. I'm still heavily grieving. And a lot of the videos you were seeing were pre-recorded. I always pre-record just in case, because you never know what's going to happen. Should always say that you're not promised another day, and that is absolutely true. The Lord says you're not promised another day. When your time's up, your time's up, And Oh, I also wanted to tell you guys that I enabled thanks on my channel. It's a little heart below the video, and if you click that, and obviously no one needs to feel obligated to do this. I'm not asking for anybody to do this. It's another way to support my channel through donations. So I just want to let you guys know that I enabled thanks. It's another way to support my channel, and it's the little heart below the video. So if anyone does, thank you very much. And yes, you will continue seeing a post, of course, now that I'm filming again. Like I said, I did have a plethora of pre-recorded videos, and I hadn't actually filmed a makeup look prior to this for, I want to say, like 2 months maybe, almost. I couldn't bear. My heart wasn't in it, and I just couldn't. And on a totally other note, there's so much more that I want to say about Nanny, but it is very difficult to talk about. The morning that transpired that day was so devastating, so traumatic, so shocking. I definitely wouldn't wish this upon my worst enemy. I lost all 3 of my grandparents in one summer. So I done this really beautiful look for my nanny. I wanted to share it with you guys. I made her a flower arrangement using, she loved her flowers, the flowers that she grew. And so I made her a flower arrangement using those, and I made a huge picture collage. And I'll probably share that with you as well. Thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Check the description box for additional links as well as the cards, product list, all that good fun stuff is in the description box below. Thank you guys so very much for watching.